देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा कर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए
Today I take a example of this equation. So 1 by d minus lambda x equals to e to the power lambda x of integration of e to the power minus lambda x dx. These types of. So now d2y by dx to plus y equals to sec x. Sorry, cosec x. That's it. And now the solution is given that. I also write that again. So please watch the first and second and third also three videos. I also posted that link on the description, comment box, pin comment box also, and I also a telegram page also watch there. And also on the telegram page I also give you the PDF format of these equations and the mathematics. Okay, so now and also watch the last kin sharing and I button also. So now I first of all I take the AE, that's mean auxiliary equation is, so that is m equals to plus minus iota. So the CF, that's mean complementary function is cosec x plus C2 sin x, that's it. So where C1 and C2 are arbitrary constants, I also write here. Now the important part is the PI. So now first of all cosec x equals to 1 by d square plus 1 cosec x, that's it. And now a square plus b square equal to a plus ib times of a minus ib, that's it. Also write here d plus I times of d minus I, that's it, of cosec x. Also write here and clean up that. Now therefore we can write it 1 by 2 iota. So therefore we can write it 1 by d minus I minus of d plus I, that's it, of whole of cosec x. And this we also write down that. So 1 by 2 iota of 1 by d minus iota times of sec x, that's it, and minus of 1 by d plus I of sec x. We also write it, we can write the given equation is that's. So now 1 by 2 iota of, that means e to the power, here the minus, therefore we can write this the plus. So e to the power plus ix integration of e to the power minus ix of sec x and minus of e to the power here d plus iota, therefore we can write here e to the power minus x. If you given the plus, therefore you can write the minus, and if you given the minus, therefore you can write the plus as well. Then coming the integration format of e to the power plus x if minus, that's it. So also we can write this. Also watch the first, second, third whole videos, or you can show the playlist of this the differential equations. Okay, so now we can write this. So e to the minus x of cosec x plus iota of sin x, that's it, cosec x. Also it's an integration function of this, the integration function dx. We also write it. Now cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x, we know also. So cos x by sin x equals to, we know also, that cot x. Therefore it's coming 1 by 2 iota of e to the power ix of integration of cot x minus I of 1, that's mean I also, of dx whole of dx minus e to the power minus x ix of cot x. Now first of all cot x plus I of dx, that's it. Now cot x, integration of cot x means what? Now watching this, the log sin x, that's it. And 1 by dx, that's mean x plus c also. You can write the c, please. You can write the c, or that the answer was wrong. Okay. So therefore 1 by 2 iota of e to the power ix of sin x, log of sin x, that's it, and minus of ix minus of e to the power ix, that's it. And now this the cot ix, therefore we can write the log of sin x plus ix also. So remember that 1 by 2 iota of this function whole and this function whole. Therefore we take the log sin x common, so therefore you can write here the minus and minus, therefore it's coming plus of log sin x, that's it. And now minus of e to the power ix minus of e to the power ix of ix, that's it. It's also a minus ix, okay. The second part is minus e to the power minus ix, sorry I mistake that, and becomes the plus as well, the minus and minus. I also write here the minus. So now 1 by 2 iota of this of this, so 2 times of sin x, and now that's equals to log of sin x, that's it. Now the ix is means ix, so that's 2 and 2 cancel out. Now this iota and what's here 1 by iota, that's mean 1, so here's there's the 1 and 1, so therefore 1 by iota x, that's mean minus iota, okay. So therefore first of all minus of iota of cos x plus sin log x, sin of log sin x, that's it. So now we can write it this format, minus of iota x cos x plus sin log sin x, this is the pi, and here the y equals to cf plus pi, that's it. That's the enough, and that's the most important, cf and pi also right here, then the given the equation also, and here's the answer. I think I some mistakes of this iota, and this is the very interesting part of this. Thank you for watching.